question.
Good morning class. This is our 7th part of class 12, chapter number 5, Contemporary South Asia. India, in this video we will basically talk about India and the Bangladesh, but the topic name is the India and its other neighbors because many neighbors are included, therefore I will start one by one. The subtopic is the India and the Bangladesh. The relation between India and the Bangladesh, which type of problems are there and how they following the different policies, we will go through this. First problem of the India and Bangladesh relation, that is the sharing the water of Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. This is the problem which occurs between India and the Bangladesh. Then the next one is the illegal immigration, and this illegal immigration is also resulted a war in 1971, and by this the East Pakistan became the Bangladesh. Now the next problem is Bangladesh support for anti-Indian Islamic fundamentalist groups. Okay, and it's also become a threat to the India. Next one is the refusal to allow Indian troops to move through its territory to northeastern India. Bangladesh don't allow to Indian troops to go through Bangladesh and then they can enter into the northeastern India or northeastern part of the India. Then the next one is whether there is the problem of the water sharing, whether it is the illegal immigration or the support of anti-Indian Islamic fundamentalist groups. There are some good points we can share here. That is both the countries succeeded in the resolving boundary disputes. There are not much or any important boundary dispute between both the countries, India and Bangladesh. Then the next one is it is a part of the India's Look East policy. Means the Bangladesh is the part of the India's Look East policy, and this Look East policy now became the Act East policy. Then the next one is disaster management, environmental issues and many more issues on which both the countries are come together and solve the problems. In the next video I will be with you with the other neighboring country of India. Till then, thank you.